Hello, bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten Tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobre dien. Hello to all the children of the world. We live in different places from all around the world. We speak in many different ways. Though some things might be different, we're children just the same, and we all like to sing and play. Hello, bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten Tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobre dien. Hello to all the children of the world. There are children in the deserts and children in the towns and children who live down by the sea. If we could meet each other to run and sing and play, then what good friends we all could be. Hello, bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten Tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobre dien. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello, bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten Tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobre dien. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world.
Good morning everybody, and welcome back to school to all our beautiful Northside children. I hope that you've had a wonderful holiday and have had a chance to rest and make some new memories with your families. I was delighted to see the reception and Standard 1 students arriving to school on Wednesday morning, and equally happy when I saw the Standard 2 and 3 students arriving this morning. I noticed that you've all grown a little taller and that you looked very smart in your new uniforms. Coming to school on the first day of a new year can be very exciting but also a little scary. You have new friends and a new teacher to get to know. My advice is to be brave and friendly, and before you know it, you will feel very comfortable in your new class. We have 75 new reception children who have started at Northside, and we would like to welcome them. I was very impressed by the confident way in which you all arrived to school on your first day. We are delighted that you have joined us, and we are sure that you are going to love being a Northside student. Mrs. Frolic has a lot to say this morning, so please keep listening carefully. I would like to remind everyone about how important it is to wear our masks, sanitize our hands, and to socially distance when we are around others. These are rules that the President of Botswana has asked us to keep to. We must do our part to ensure that we keep our friends and our teachers as safe as possible. This morning we have 19 birthdays to celebrate in the early years department. The children who we are wishing today have had birthdays from the 1st of January up until the end of this week. And they are, in Reception A, Pratham; in Reception B, Liano; Miles and Fatima in Reception C; Jai Cheng and Liano in Standard 1A; Skylar, Naledi and Leloko in Standard 1B; Faith, Zoe and Kagiso in 2A; Mikhail and Antoine in 2C, Banti and Koko in 3A, Mila, Musab and Lewatle in 3B. A very happy birthday to each of you whose name I've just mentioned. I hope that you enjoyed your special day and that you have a wonderful time being a year older. Let's all sing happy birthday to them together to make them feel extra special.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you and happiness too.
Good morning, everybody. We're so excited to be back at school for a new year and we can't wait to see you. Have a lovely day.
Hi everyone! I hope you have a wonderful term. It's good to see everyone and I hope you had a fantastic holiday. I look forward to seeing all of you in the corridors and just to say hi. Happy 2021!
Good morning, everybody. Don't forget that you are all so loved. Mwah.
Hello everybody, my name is Mrs. Teboho. Have a great day.
Hi, boys and girls. I hope you all had a lovely, lovely holiday. It's so exciting for all of us teachers to meet the new children in our class. Welcome back to school, everyone. We are so happy to have you all back at school.
Hello, everybody. Happy New Year to you all. We're so looking forward to seeing you all, and I hope you've had a wonderful holiday and are ready to get back to some hard work at school. Lots of love. Bye.
Hi early years, welcome back. I hope you all had a lovely holiday, that you're all well rested and you're ready for 2021. I can't wait to see you around school. Take care. Bye.
My name is Miss Candy. Hello.
Morning everybody, welcome to 2021. I'm so excited to be back at school and I hope you are too. Here's to a great year.
Hi 2B, can't wait to meet you all, can't wait to get back to school. Here's to a brilliant 2021. The class is empty without you. See you all tomorrow.
Hi everybody, welcome back to school. Have a very happy new year.
Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you've rested, you had a great holiday. Now we're off to a great start. Have a lovely day.
Good morning, girls and boys. Welcome back to 2021. Looking forward to seeing you. But most of all, I'm looking forward to seeing 3A tomorrow. Goodbye.
Hi, everybody. Welcome back to school. I am so excited to see you, and especially Standard 3B. I'm waiting to see you. Welcome.
Happy New Year. Welcome back to Northside. You can find me in the back corner of the school in Standard 3C.
Welcome back to school, everyone. Standard 3s, we are excited to have you back.
This morning I will be reading you all a story about kindness. I strongly believe that if we all practiced small acts of kindness towards one another often, the world would be a much better place to live in. When I tell people in Gabs that I work at Northside School, they often say, "Oh, that's the blue school." Wouldn't it be amazing if when I told people where I worked, their reaction would be, "Oh, that's where all the kind children go." So for 2021, I would like us to work hard, that's always important, do our best and be kind. Have a wonderful day, children, and I will see you again next week. Be Kind by Pat Zitlow Miller and illustrated by Jen Hill. Tanisha spilled grape juice yesterday, all over her new dress. Everyone laughed. I almost did too, but Mum always tells me to be kind, so I tried. I don't think it worked. I said, "Purple is my favorite color." I thought Tanisha would smile, but she ran into the hall instead. When she came back, snack time was over. She put on her art smock and didn't look at anyone. I almost told Tanisha that art was my favorite class, but I didn't want her to leave again. So I painted purple splotches and added some green until I had a bunch of beautiful violets. While I painted, I thought about Tanisha. Should I have handed her my napkin, let her borrow my sweatshirt, spilled my juice so everyone stared at me instead? What does it mean to be kind? Maybe it's giving, making cookies for Mr. Rinaldi who lives alone. Letting someone with smaller feet have my too tight shoes. He might win races in them too. Maybe it's helping, putting dirty dishes in the sink. Cleaning up after Otis, our class guinea pig. He's a messy eater. Maybe it's paying attention, telling Desmond I like his blue boots, asking the new girl to be my partner. Listening to Aunt Franny's stories, even the ones I've heard before. Being kind should be easy, like throwing away a wrapper or recycling a bottle or saying thank you, bless you. My mum says the quickest way to be kind is to use people's names. Hi, Kayla. What's new, Omar? Good afternoon, Rabbi Mandelbaum. Being kind can be hard too, even when you know what to do. Teaching someone something I'm good at is tricky, even when I'm patient. And sticking up for someone when other kids aren't being kind is really hard and really scary. Maybe I can't solve Tanisha's grape juice problem. Maybe all I can do is sit by her in art class and paint this picture for her, because I know she likes purple too. Maybe I can only do small things, but my small things might join small things other people do. And together they could grow into something big. Something really big, so big that all our kindnesses spill out of our school and spread throughout the town. Travel across the country and go all the way around the world. Right back to Tanisha and me, so we can be kind. Again. And again. And again. The end.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, slap your knees. If you're happy and you know it, slap your knees. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap, clap, stamp, stamp, slap, slap, click, click. If you're happy and you know it, do all four. Clap, clap, stamp, stamp, slap, slap, click, click. If you're happy